Hello, I'm Adobe Stock artist Evangelist, photographer, and stock contributor Matt Hayward. In this quick class, we're going to talk about how to edit and delete your files. If for some reason you need to remove some of your files, the good news is that deleting them is pretty simple. If you need to make changes to any of the keywords for or the titles to your existing content, I'll show you how to do that also. To start off, navigate to the dashboard section of the contributor portal. Now, find the online asset that you wish to edit or delete. You can sort your assets either by the number of downloads, this is the default sorting mode, the most recent files you have uploaded, or you can use a specific asset ID number. To find the asset ID number of your file, navigate to your public-facing portfolio and search for the file by keyword. Then, copy the ID number, it's right here in the URL, and head back to the dashboard. Enter the asset ID number into the file number search box here, and then click the thumbnail of the file that you wish to edit. Scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see that you have a few options. Up first is the Delete File icon. This is where you would delete a file that's already been approved and has been pushed online. If you need to remove a file that you've uploaded but you haven't submitted yet, you can delete that from the New tab right here in the Uploaded Files section of the Contributor portal. Select the file that you want to remove and click the delete icon here. If the file that you want to remove is pending review, you can delete it by clicking the sneaky little delete file button right next to the file ID number. It can be tricky to spot at first, but trust me, it's there. Click it and confirm, and then you're all set. Now, many of you asked me how to remove content from the rejected or not accepted section, and here's your answer. The archive of your rejected files is permanent. It can't be edited or removed, but rest assured, those files will not show up online. Now, on to editing your keywords and titles with one note. I don't recommend that you spend too much time editing keywords on established stock assets unless they've been online for less than 30 days and the changes are critically important. You're likely going to find that your time is much better served by focusing on and creating and submitting new stock assets and letting your existing work do its thing. To go ahead and update your keywords or title, look a little bit lower on the dashboard page after clicking the file and you'll see all the existing metadata. Hover your mouse over the field that you want to edit and click the edit icon. Make the necessary changes and save. If you're editing your keywords, you can enter new keywords in the individual boxes or comma separate them and hit the tab key to distribute. You can resort the keyword order like so. And you can delete existing keywords over yonder. Click OK and confirm, followed by clicking the Save button.